Is your HP wireless printer giving you trouble during setup? No worries. In this video, I'll show you a quick restart method that helps fix the network errors and restores the connection between your printer, computer, and router. This works for all HP printer models and only takes a few minutes with access to your devices. If you need one-on-one support, you can call the numbers shown on the screen. Otherwise, just follow the steps ahead. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Turn off your printer. Wait about 10 seconds, then unplug the power cord. Shut down the computer and device you're using to print. Unplug your wireless router. Wait 10 seconds. Then, plug it back in and allow it fully restart. Once the router is back on, reconnect the printer's power cord and turn the printer back on. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.